Tanya Stevens excited fans on Fame Frequency over the weekend. The Songbird was the special guest artist on the show's Reggae Month special, now in its third week. Tanya was on fire as she delivered hits after hits on the #1 trending event and also performed her song Glue, that she says is not on any album, and also gave an exclusive preview of her first 2021 single.
She just sits there crying. Nobody hears her though, and her hope, it isn't just dying. She gave up on it years ago.
E-Prime caught up with a street singer who was controversial on her views on Reggae Month.
Reggae encompasses everything what we make as with music, with indigenous music, with the reggae, the dancehall, you know, all the spin-offs from it. And I don't prefer if my Prime Minister would take away a month and give it respect. Instead of saying, we don't need to go make this kind of music and I get involved and him no creative at all, and I no film genre this, and I no film industry this. I think say, we're going to always feel like we need a month, for as long as we people have no respect for what we do.
And on the debated subject of banning gun lyrics,
crime isn't a reflection of the lyrics, the gun lyrics in the song them. As me see fellow artist Devin say, crime did go on from long time when no gun lyrics never in a song. So I know song cause it. Now we know that the music reflects life and life reflects the music. So your job is to go clean up life, and you not do it, but you can tell we say said this or that. Inspire me to do some better lyrics. Give me a clean place to live.
Tanya, who rose to prominence in the early 2000s, joins Mr. St. Jem Myers as specially selected performers on the era-featured Reggae Month series of events. And the big deal boss, Christopher Martin, is scheduled for the grand finale coming this Saturday, as Fame Frequency features music from the legends and emerging legends, mixed with international reggae. With your E-Prime report, I'm Deidran Gordon.